Hey, welcome along everyone. I'm going to be doing another project video, and this one is project Mk3 arch replacement. So this car's coming to us for an arch repair, and as you can see, it's gone here. So I've taken the side skirt off, I've removed the bumper, and I've just literally done my line where I'm going to cut. And what I have found is some filler in here. We did have a look on the paintwork, and you can't see it on camera, but you can just see some DA marks there. So I just wanted to see where this filler was and where it ran to. So it pretty much sort of it's about from there around to here. So I'm not sure why that's there at the moment. It could be rust, it could be a dent. We'll have to see. So this video is going to come along step by step. So I'm going to now remove this arch lip, the outer arch lip. So I'm going to get all the spot welds out all around here, get this cut back, remove that away, and then whatever I find, we'll come back. Right, see you in a mo. So I have just cut out the arch, and not too bad actually. I'm quite pleased with how not rusty it is. So as you can see, the inner arch lip is shot pretty much from here all the way to about there, but from here onwards it's all good. So that's good. Filler work has got filler in there, you can see it there. So I'm going to take that back to see where that sort of finishes now and why that's in there, because there could be a dent up here, I don't know. So we'll see what happens. So I'm now gonna sort of cut a little bit more out and see where this filler stops and to why it's there. There's no visible damage behind in the inner wheel arch well. Yeah, right, let's find out. Okay, right, I'm cut out now, and it's actually pretty good. I'm quite pleased with what I've found behind. So it's nice and clean here. This is normally rusted off when I've done rear arches before, and this is normally gone, so I can reuse all this, and it just looks like I've got to replace this section from there to there. Filler work. So basically what I did was I ground it back to get the panel back up here. So basically that was in there. So right, something like that. And I think the impact, it was definitely a hit. So the impact was in this area here, and you can actually see, I don't know if you can see it, there is actually a dent just there where it's been pushed in. So I would say, I mean, the other side, the other arch is actually pretty good on this. So I'm going to go with the fact that the impact on this arch was here, which I then disturbed the panel seal in this area here, and then moisture has just got in and just rotted it out. That's probably the most likely cause, because the panel seal on these Mark IIIs isn't very good at all. It's really poor. There's some evidence there, so you can see just there where it would have been pulled out from the outside. So it would have been like that, and then they weld on there, and then they pull it out. I can't remember the name of what they're called now. So they weld them on, and then they can pull it out and pull the dent out. So yeah, so that's what we got. So I'm now going to get this inner arch lip repaired, and we'll get back to that. Alright, bye bye. Okay, right. So I've got the inner arch lip built back up. So that went alright. I say there is going to be noise going on when these videos are done, because it's in process of when the workshop's operating. So new inner arch section in here. I'll have to cut it down because it's a little bit wider at the moment, but I'll wait till I get my my outer wing done. So what I'm going to do now is I'm now going to prime it up, and then I'll be looking to get my panel cut. Exhibit A. So let's get cracking on with that. Right, we've now so got the panel cut now. I'm about to paint this in primer, but I'd started going ahead and getting the panel cut, so that's going to sort of go in. Fits quite well. Anyway, there's going to be noise, so as the last video, my panel's cut. I've now put in the holes for the plug welds, and it's all been primered now. So I'm going to get this welded in. It's all cut as you saw in the previous video, so I'll get this welded in and we'll come back to that. So welding on the Mark III is now done. So welding really nice actually. Pretty pleased with it. So arch is all done. I've panel sealed the back, and I'm now literally going to be taking it to get painted. So with the Mark III, because of the type, the gap tolerances are a lot closer. I don't know if you can probably see it there. I've actually made the join there just a little bit not level with the existing metalwork, just so there's room for the filler work to be done, and the same with here as well. It's sort of just up a little bit, just in. The gaps can be made good. So I'm going to take this to the paint shop, and yeah, get this done. See you on the next one. Hi all, welcome back, and this video is the last of the videos for the Mark III arch repair project that I've been doing, and it's come back from the paint shop now. So it's all looking really good. We blended onto the door, with a slight difference in colour, but all in all I'm really happy with how it turned out really. Yeah, looks really good. So the process of welding was good because of the design of the Mark III rear arch, where you have this line here that obviously helps strengthen the rear wing. So when you're welding in this area, the distortion doesn't really have any effect, which means it's a lot better. Down here there was a little bit, but nothing too much. But no, it's all in all good job done really. So as I said at the beginning of the year, we're going to do more of these little projects, and it was good to do one on the Mark III because we hadn't done one before. So hope you liked the video. Customers coming to pick it up tomorrow, so today's Friday, tomorrow's Saturday. He'll be here, take it away, all good. See you on the next one. Bye bye.